Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious scrambled eggs with Spam. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need one 12-ounce can of Spam, about 4 large eggs, and a 1/4 cup of milk for extra fluffiness. Begin by carefully removing the Spam from its can and dicing it into small, uniform cubes. Then, in a separate bowl, whisk your eggs vigorously with the milk and a pinch of pepper until they are light and frothy. Now let's get that Spam perfectly crispy. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Once the pan is hot, add your diced Spam cubes. Cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. You want them to turn a beautiful golden brown and develop a nice, crispy texture on all sides. This step adds incredible flavor and a satisfying crunch to your dish. Next, we'll create those wonderfully fluffy scrambled eggs. In a separate, clean non-stick skillet, melt 1 tablespoon of butter over medium-low heat. Pour in your whisked eggs and let them sit undisturbed for about 15 to 20 seconds until the edges begin to set. Then, using a spatula, gently push the cooked edges towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Continue this gentle folding until the eggs are mostly set but still moist and glistening, not dry. Finally, let's bring it all together for a truly satisfying meal. Once your scrambled eggs are perfectly cooked and still moist, add the crispy, pan-fried Spam directly into the skillet. Gently fold the Spam and eggs together, ensuring everything is well combined. Serve your delicious scrambled eggs with Spam immediately. This easy and flavorful dish is perfect for any meal, offering a delightful combination of savory and fluffy textures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.